Hi, I'm Chloe, and this is the Matrix Mesh Medium Back Office Chair by Pago. This chair offers exceptional style and supreme comfort. It features molded foam and has a posture-sure 3-lever mechanism with ratchet back. That means you can adjust to the correct posture in a number of seated positions. The chair has a number of adjustments for maximum comfort. The first lever operates the gas lifter, allowing the seat height to be positioned for your feet to comfortably touch the floor. The second lever operates the back angle of the chair for correct posture. It can be fixed in position or allowed to move freely. The third lever adjusts the seat tilt. Another great feature is the adjustable lumbar, which helps with back support for greater posture. Simply adjust the lumbar by pressing the back down to its lowest position. The back then locks in. To raise the back, it must be clicked up through several positions. Once it reaches the top, it releases and the process must be started over. Last but not least, the Matrix Mesh Medium Back Office Chair by Pago comes with a 10-year warranty and is proudly exclusive to Officeworks. Thanks for watching, and congratulations on a great new addition to your office.